How to fix TikTok not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can fix if TikTok is not letting us log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if TikTok is not letting you log in, you can go ahead and first of all open the TikTok application, and then whenever you, let's say that you are trying to log into your account, it simply says and doesn't give you access to log in. So what do you do if you want to log in? So for that, you want to simply come to the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the login option here. Now you can choose to log in either with your Google account if you have those. If you have a username and email address, you want to make sure that as well. So if you have phone number and you're trying to log in using your phone number, just make sure that it is actually a correct phone number, otherwise it will not let you log in as well. So after you've made sure of all that process, you can just try to continue with Google or whatever else. After that, select an account and they should definitely let you log in. If you forgot the credentials, you can also just try to reset it using those. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.